Good morning, day 13 of 100 videos in 100 days. And a couple different things. I am on day 90 of my WimHof breathing technique. Done it almost every day for 90 days. I decided to do a 100-day shift chart. I've made up a 10-day, 7-day shift chart, 40-day shift chart, and a 100-day shift chart for my coaching clients to shift behavior. And so I using a 100-day shift chart for the WimHof breathing technique. And the benefits I've seen so far, the discipline piece, the self-discipline piece is interesting. I've not pushed myself for the last couple of years. And when the accident happened a year ago in November, I really kind of took that as a reason to just really slow down and not set my alarm in the morning. And I'm grateful that I have the opportunity to be able to live my life that way. It is a different mindset that I'm playing with to get into thinking of owning and running Amelia's coffee house, wine and spirits and wine, desserts and wine. We're still playing with the name, but that'll be a totally different life style when we get to that. So with Wim Hof, clarity of thoughts is one of the biggest benefits that I had from it. I didn't suffer with anxiety or depression recently. My meditation practice that I do every day basically took away the anxiety and the panic attacks that I used to have. So clarity of thinking and just breathing, being aware of my breath of a day. And when things start to get stressful, and they've been stressful with the whole economy thing and the COVID and the and the presidential election and all of that, I can go to my breath and just really calm myself down. I also want to talk about two different messages I got in my morning meditation this morning. And the first one was, take yourself seriously. And I'm still working with that. As some of you know, it takes me 3 days to process stuff. So I'm working with why that came through so strongly this morning. Take yourself seriously. And it's like, do I take myself seriously, or do I not give myself much credence and importance? And I think that's where that is going. That I do need to take myself seriously, and I am important, and I need to act. When we talked in that other video, the thought, word, and deed, that action piece needs to be in there, that I am important. And then that led to the second message, which was about time management and how time management is a huge message to yourself, that you're important, that you are important enough to design your time and to have a schedule and to sit down for 15 minutes. And you probably get down to 5 minutes before you go to bed each night and plan out your next day. I got stuck years ago in trying to have the same exact schedule, the same exact time, and all of that. And as I raised 5 kids and had multiple businesses that we ran, it became insane to try and have the same schedule every day. So I never got out of that, trying to keep it all the same every single day. So what helps that is the night before you sit down with and I have sheets that I've made up, because I can't find a day timer that works for me, that has all the room for everything in my life that I need in there. So I made these sheets that have the time increments on them. It starts at 5 o'clock. I get up at 5 o'clock. And I've been working on getting to bed by 9. That now is going to be, with my coaching with Katarina, the one thing that I'm going to get done and get in place, so I don't have to continually use mental energy around it. And that is to get to bed at 9, so I can get up at 5. And I get to bed at 9 and I read for a half an hour, and then I go to sleep. But the time management, getting, kind of a ghost schedule on a sheet of paper. And then the night before, you plan out, say like yesterday, we needed to go to the chiropractor, and I'm moving my errands and my shopping and that kind of thing, the bank, to Saturday and Sunday. I'm thinking, working ahead of, and this is living your life now as if it's the person that you want to be in the future. And running Amelia's, I'm going to, be there for most of the day. So I'm kind of keeping that in mind as I'm doing my schedule now. Although the decluttering is something, it is something else. I don't know if anybody else is doing that, but even just decluttering a floor space, or a drawer, or a closet, or a dresser, just getting rid of all those things. And what I'm finding is all of those things take up mental energy, because I'm constantly saying, oh, I need to do that. Oh, I should do that. Oh, I need to move that. Oh, that needs to be put away. And I didn't realize until I started doing this decluttering project that there's all that energy that is expended in the mind, the mental clutter that the actual physical clutter creates. And it's been really a joy to start to look at that and change that around. So this is Saturday. This is day number 13. And if anybody's going to start Wim Hof, let me know. I'd really love to see how it works for you. Roger and I are planning a trip to Montana here in December. I know some people would say, oh my God, you're going to run into snow. Well, we're okay with that. I would like to see some snow. But we are also looking at a place that's on a lake, and it was really inexpensive. But there's a dock, and we could do the Wim Hof cold therapy in this lake for the days that we're going to be there. So that's kind of exciting. And I was really, really excited about the fact that the price is not, it's less than $800 for 11 days. So that's a cabin in Montana for less than $800 for 11 days. That's like crazy. All right. Have a good Saturday, and I will see you tomorrow.